two libraries that Steven's written, and I'm still getting the hang of these libraries. But we do have a dedicated AFSK library that we're developing. And for the most part, it's functioning. We're able to transmit packets, as you saw with our messenger. We're able to receive packets. Right now, there's just a bit of fine tuning on the receive to make sure it's able to receive really weak signals and so forth. We're going to go through the AFSK library, but I will warn you that it's better to look at some of the examples as opposed to the actual code of the library, because it is pretty complicated. But we do have the encoder that basically encodes HDLC and so forth, and sends a packet. And then we also handle all the, obviously the mark and space. We're using the DDS to generate the tones. And then for, let's see, the decoder here, we've got a delay line that we use to kind of pull in samples from the ADC, and then we process them and so forth. So there's all kinds of really complicated things you got to do when you decode AFSK, but for the most part it works. And let's see, I'm also going to go to this other one here too, which is our DDS, and that's the direct digital synthesizer, which is something that Steven's written. It's a great way of generating very accurate audio waveforms. The PWM output out of the Arduino it's usually pretty dirty and noisy. It's a square wave where you change the duty cycle. And we've got some nice filters on board now to make it smooth it out. And this kind of takes it a step further to get all the timing right. To make sure that we actually produce quality waveforms. Because I'll tell you that if you have a very bad waveform, or you just were playing tones like I was trying to, it's very dirty, and then the decoder on the other end, they won't know what the heck you're doing. So it's very important to use accurate tone generation. So we'll just kind of scroll through here. And really, for the DDS, you tell it to, we got to calculate a frequency table and all this complicated stuff, but it's a really nice piece of code he's written. The best thing is that all this has been taken care of for us, and you as well. So we're able to bring you very accurate tone generation, so we can do lots of neat stuff like SSTV and so forth. So that's our DDS.